Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I'm very excited to let you know that we have our next live event planned. And so January 11th coming up, 11 a.m. starting, we are talking about animated film creation. So I'm going to be giving several lectures on story and story creation. I'm going to be talking about pre-production and visual development. And I'm going to be finishing off the day by talking about storyboarding, but with layout in mind. I want to talk about how you can storyboard and streamline the process. It's going to be a really fun day full of all kinds of stuff. And I want to remind you, if you are a member, a premium member or a lifetime member, these are included with your membership. So they're free. So remember, spots are limited. Go on over to creatureartteacher.com/live, and I'll see you then. Bye.